Yeah, one thing comes down, another comes down.
You were just hearing from Ali, neighbor of mine. The house had begun to come down about the time other houses were collapsing around it for the storm in December. He, along with others of the villagers, came running up. And they were checking on the house, but also to see if I was still around. Ollie over here on the street side, and I'm over here as the dust is clearing in the doorway. And he's saying, watch for yourself, take care, get out. Come over here, Aji. But what am I doing in the midst of this disaster, where 3 floors of the house had just collapsed into a crater inches in front of my face? I'm standing there with my camera in hand, filming the reactions of the villagers to the collapsing of my house. The foreigner.
Film Zween, Hollywood.
Did I say that?